Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today our story name is Who is the Real Mother? So once upon a time there lived a mother and a son in a small house. So daily they used to go out for a small trip, not like a trip, for a walk, evening walk. So they used to go out daily. The son likes his mother very much, and he gave, like, the mother gives a flat the mother gives a garden flowers to him. He loves that type of smell, so he used to enjoy a lot and he used to feel very happy with his mother, and even mother will used to feel very happy by seeing his son. So one day while they are going, they were going on a way. So there is a lake side, like side by there is a lake. So the water is very fresh, and we can enjoy the water if we had done a bath. So the mother decided, like, she thought to have a bath in that, and so she kept the baby on the ground, and like just for a one wave she had when she decided to go and come. So she had kept the baby down and she went for just one dip. So she went, and after coming up she heard her son's sounds, like he was laughing. So if they so one woman came there and she's playing with the son there. So the son is laughing and he's happy. So the mother thought that yes, my son is here safe and he's very happy. And even that woman gave the woman said that don't worry my lady, he will be fine. Have your pleasure bath and come. Then he, like, then anyway she with the confidence she had went into the bath, and she had waved for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And while she's coming out, if she observed, the woman is running with the baby, and the mother got tension, and she had came out from the pond, and she's running back of her there. The three soldiers are actually like they are standing on the way. They asked that what happened, why you are fighting like this. Then they said that I am the real mother of this baby, but that mother says she is a real mother. So like there is a fighting happened between them. So the soldiers said that so there is a thief in so in you both there would be one thief compulsory. So I would uh, I would find out that who is that. I'll take near my Guruji. So he'll give you a decision like who is the real mother. So then after going, so the both ladies with the babies they went. So the baby is in the not in the real mother's hand but other lady's hand. So they had went, and the soldiers had said to the Guruji like this. Then Guruji said, then the Guruji said, he did some magics and he had got an arrow. So he drew an circle with that. In that he placed the baby. So so here they are saying that the Guruji said that both of you ladies, one stand near the legs and one stand near the hands, and both of you pull the baby. So who will get the baby really? That lady is the real mother. So they had went, and the baby is in the circle, and they had started pulling. Means actually when the baby saw the real mother, he had smiled. Actually she didn't even pull him, but the lady, she had pulled him with the legs. She had pulled his legs, so he cried a lot. So the real mother, she is not able to bear that pain, and she had gave up. I don't need any type of games, I'm giving up, please my baby should be safe. So she had said in that way, and the lady was very happy that she had won. Then Guruji said that okay, give that lady to the give that baby to the real mother. Then she said, why I want, why should I give? Then he said that a mother never feels, or a mother never think to give a hardship to their children, or if they were in the pain she can't able to see. So she is the real mother and she gave. And something headed, so that the lady was changed into like a devil. So he understood, and he said that gave a final warning that You should not enter into this forest anytime. If you had entered your, you can't be in the forest or you can't be in this world anytime. So this is today's story, and after next time, the mother and son were very happy with them. So this is today's story. Thank you.